Hey, what's going on YouTube? It's Herbie with Half a Mil. I'm back with another video. Basically, I didn't shoot a video in a few because I've been so busy and it's coronavirus. I've been trying to stay inside and just bond with the family some more. But I've been working on cars here and there. Right now in this video, I'm going to show you guys how I sold the ZHP in less than a week. I really didn't post it because it really wasn't nothing to do on the ZHP. In this video here, I'm going to show you guys how I switched out the lenses on the headlights of the ZHP, and I basically made them clearer. So I changed out the lenses on the headlights of the ZHP before I sold it. The only thing that I did to the ZHP was change the control arm bushing. That was bad. So I changed out the control arm bushings and I switched the lens of the headlights. And what else did I do? That's about it. And I just cleaned it. So, and I ended up selling it. I had purchased the ZHP from an auction in Boston, and it was like a few hours away from me. So give or take in total with gas and everything, I feel like I spent like $1,500 in total on the ZHP. So I really purchased it for cheap, but I ended up putting a little bit of money into it. Basically, the control arm bushing wasn't too much money. The lenses were like $20 on eBay. So in total, it's probably not too much. Probably like $1,550, give or take, I put into the ZHP, and I ended up selling it for $3,200. I know it's a ZHP and they go for $6,000 to $8,000 sometimes if it's clean, but this one particularly had 170,000 miles, and also it was a salvage title because it was, I don't even know what happened to it, but when I got it, it was just clean. I don't know if they salvaged the title because of the control arm, which that really doesn't make any sense, but the car is really not that expensive, probably book value, but the hype is built up on this car. So I ended up selling it for $3,200 real quick. In like less than 3 days, it was like going basically viral, this post on like E46 pages saying this is still in New York, and whoever's in New York should buy it. A lot of people wanted to see the updates on what I did to it. So this is basically it. I didn't really do much. I just sold it for a quick profit. A lot of people probably like, why you sold it and this and that, but I just have so much projects and so much stuff. I really can't hold on to cars too long sometimes. And this one in particularly, like, I just was like, let me get rid of it for a quick profit. So it's not really bad, you know, for $1,500 to make $3,200 real fast, over $1,500 profit. You know, you can't beat that, you know, and the other person enjoyed it, and I didn't have to go through the steps of inspecting it. The person that bought it was willing to do that, so that's why I really sold it cheap. But if I would have inspected it and got a rebuild title, I would have wanted like upward of $5,000. So, you know, it just worked out for me. I just sold it real quick for $1,500 plus profit, and now just on to the next project. Recently I picked up a R350 that was not a run and drive, a Mercedes Benz. It's like the minivan style. I just always like these R-class minivan type of Benzes, but I just never purchased one. But this one I purchased for, again, under $1,500, and this one was not a run and drive, but I bid on it to like $1,000, and I ended up winning it. And then I was just like second guessing, like, why did I do this? So when I checked the codes, it had overtiming, retarded basically codes or whatever, and it had a few misfires. So I thought the engine jumped timing, but I changed the spark plugs out. I checked for spark, and I checked for fuel, and it was getting no fuel. So I'm starting to believe it's a fuel pump. So if it's a fuel pump, well, I know it's either a fuel pump or the regulator. So I had put starter fluid, and it started right up. So that's what I'm working on now. I wasn't really going to make a video of it, but I'll show you guys the R350 that I bought after the video of me changing the headlights and stuff like that. So I'm not going to talk too much, even though I talked a little bit. Just hope you enjoy. Like,
subscribe, and if you want to see more, just comment below what you want to see, and let's keep
it going, even though it's with all this COVID stuff going on, let's keep it going. Let's stay protected, stay safe, wear your mask. I don't have my mask on right now because I'm in the car, but when I leave out, I'm gonna have it on. So stay safe, you guys. Thank you for subscribing. I'm at 91 subscribers. I appreciate it. Let's get me to 100 subscribers. Guys, share, like, share it to your friends. Show your friends, like, look, we could be doing this right now. We could be flipping cars. I'm young. Let's go. Let's flip these cars and let's keep it going, guys. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for liking. Like, subscribe, comment. Appreciate you guys. Thank you. Peace. Enjoy. Hey, so what's going on, y'all? Today I got some new headlight covers, some lenses for this ZHP, and I'm gonna show you guys how to install some new lenses to clear the foggy lenses up. Basically, I usually polish them before until one of my friends taught me how to change the lenses, and the lens is only like $20 depending on what E46 you have. So I'm gonna just change the lens out and show you guys how to make the car come from this to clear like this. So these lenses I bought off eBay for like $20. So you're gonna give it the look of the new headlights. Basically, these are foggy. It was in the rain, so it's like not as foggy, but you're gonna see basically the difference. So let me work. Go to the plastic part too, and just like push on it so comes off that easy. So look at the foggy old light. And look how clear it looks inside there. We'll take some air and just blow a little bit. Take it off, the new plastic. So this is the new plastic. fingerprints. Pushing. This. This one from Faze. Okay, let's reset. So going this way with it. Wait a minute. Push this piece back in. This way. To that, do the weight down. The fingerprints. So what do you guys think? So we close it for you guys a little bit. I gotta close out the way, but night and day, right? Night and day. So now we're gonna do the next one because this one came out so clean, like fresh out the factory. Spicing up the ZHP. Time to do the second one. So I'm gonna speed through this one. I just finished the lens switch on the ZHP 330i and it came out magnificent. I'm gonna show you guys how it looks. Like that, I guess. So this is how it looks. I feel like I could adjust the headlights a little more because it should fit flush. So I'm gonna just adjust that a little bit, tweak the headlights. But look at the finished product so far. Wow, what a big difference. So all I have to do now is get a fog light for the bottom, maybe two because this one is cracked. Just get 2 new fog lights and that'll be for the front finish. These are the old lenses. They are repairable, but it just takes time. And the new ones were $20, so save my time just for $20. Why not? So far, the other day I did the bushings on it, so the wheel has new bushings for the front control arms, and that was all it needed. Now I have to check the spark plugs because it has a misfire in cylinder 1. So I'm gonna switch the coil packs around and see if it's a coil pack or spark plugs, and probably just do a tune-up spark plugs. I did the oil change already the other day also, and then I'm gonna just test drive it around. It's coming out nice. Definitely coming out nice, but that's all for today. Basically, I gotta clean this mess up. The windshield wiper fluid got all over the place, as you can see in the video. I'm gonna clean that up now, clean all these tools up, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. And that fast is sold. 330 is sold. ZHP sold. Thanks for watching. New 330i lenses put in. Thank you. Appreciate you guys. Peace.